So my wife has decided to change dog foods for the dogs to save money, and she cooked a bunch of chicken and put rice in it. We got 2 dogs to feed, a big one and a little one. We're going to put this in some Tupperware and freeze it. But it's a lot cheaper than, oops, there's a bone I missed. She told me to get all that out of there. It's a lot cheaper to feed them this chicken and rice. You can actually buy this stuff in the dog food section, you know, pre-made chicken and rice. But I got to looking at this and smelling of it. Yeah, I don't know. That's pretty good. I cooked the chicken, she did the rice. Yeah. She did the rice. I hope she didn't add something I don't know about. Oh well, it tastes pretty good. Yeah. Might be feeding all of us with that.